Hello, Jody here from Joli Natural Skincare. Today I wanted to show you how to make a really basic lip balm with ingredients that you have already in your house. So to begin with, we measure out equal parts olive oil and beeswax. And usually a lip balm pot is around 10 grams, so I'll go for 5 grams of each. Then we melt this on a low heat. And the beauty about this recipe is if you want it harder or softer, you can just gently remelt it and add a little bit extra olive oil if you want it softer, a little bit extra beeswax if you want it harder. And as always, there's adaptations that can be made. So to this you could add a really nice lipstick colour. Probably only need a pinch, a gram or two. Put that in, melt it together. And then you've got a coloured lip balm. So that's what that looks like. It is coming together. Just very gently. You don't want it to burn. Once it's fully melted, have this really cute little Cupid lip container. Open that up. Pour it in and let it set. And there you have it. How to make your own lip balm at home with ingredients you have in your house, with adaptations of course. You could add flavours to this as well if you wanted. Any questions, drop a comment. Love to hear from you, and thank you very much for watching.